Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn on a Fitbit Sense smartwatch. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is a Fitbit Sense smartwatch, okay? I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to actually turn it off. It is currently on right now, so I'm going to turn it off. So we're going to go to the settings app over here. We're going to scroll down to shut down, okay? I'm going to click yes to shut down. We're going to give it just a moment to power down, and I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Now, you'll notice on the Fitbit Sense, there's actually, and you can see it's still on right now. There we go, it's shut down now. On the Fitbit Sense, there's actually no button. There's no physical button, but what there is a little indentation which serves as the button. Now, the thing about this is that you can like accidentally touch it, right? So to turn it on, they want to make sure that you want to turn it on. So that's at least my opinion on why you need to do this. You need to hold it down for about 3 to 5 seconds, that indentation on the side, that pretend button on the side, and that will turn it on. And like I said, it's so like you don't accidentally turn it on. That's my honest opinion, okay? So I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to hold it down until I felt the haptic feedback, like a vibration, and I see the faint Fitbit logo. I can release it now, and it's turning on. That's it. That's how to turn on your Fitbit Sense smartwatch, okay? So in this video, you actually learned how to turn it off and on, because I shut it down first and then I turned it on, okay? So to turn it on once again, once it's off, you just press and hold down on this little indentation on the side for 3 to 5 seconds. You will feel the haptic feedback. You'll feel that little vibration. And when you see the faint Fitbit logo appear, then you know you're good to go. And then you know it's been turned on. As you can see, it's on. We're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.